What's up, guys? As you can probably tell, I just woke up, but I wanted to show you guys what just came in for the Fiesta. That's right, my new intercooler just came in. As you can see, it's a nice one. Originally, I was gonna go with the Whoosh Motorsports one, the version 3, but they were out of stock, and I had to like special order the gold one if I wanted to, but it was gonna take up to 3 weeks to get to my house. So I ended up going with the Mishimoto one. I've heard a lot of good things about them. I've seen a lot of people running them, so I was like, why not? I'll just try that one. And I was a little impatient, and it got here in like a week or so. So I'm gonna install this today. Also, I've seen a lot of people that cut this little grill out, so I'm gonna try to cut it out too, and remove the front license plate and relocate it. I also got another package in the mail. This was before the intercooler. It's my custom shift knob from Likewise. It came from, I think they're from Australia, and to be honest, hands down, they have the best packaging I've seen so far. I mean, just look at the box, man. It's amazing. All the details in the packaging. I gotta be honest, I was a little more excited about the packaging itself before I saw the shift knob. But yeah, man, this is great. Let me show you guys how it looks. It also came with the little sticker from them, but this is the shift knob itself. I ordered the shift knob, the adapter, and that's their name on there, the brand. And on this side, I got my name on it. So it was like, I think it was like 20 more bucks for the name. The shift knob itself was $90, and the adapter was $30. The adapter for the reverse. To be honest, it feels really nice. It weighs about a pound, and it's a little bit higher. It's way more comfortable than the stock one. I'm really happy with this, and yeah, man, that's it. It looks freaking nice. Shout out to them for making high quality products. For anyone who watches this video, if you guys want to order a shift knob from them, I'm gonna link down their website in the description, and that way you guys can go look at them. They have a lot of different things. They have steering wheels. They have a couple of different shift knobs. They have, I think, the e-brake. They have different ones, or just a button maybe, but they have a lot of things, and it's really cool, man. And it actually got to my house really fast, or faster than I expected. I was expecting it to last for like 3 weeks or so, but it came in like a week. So yeah, man, I'm happy about that. Okay guys, so headlights are out. This car is really a bitch to work on because you gotta remove like almost everything, but I'm getting used to it by now. Okay, so headlights are out. I removed all the little screws that are holding this in place. Now I believe I gotta remove like 5 or 6 bolts under the bumper that are holding it in place, and then I have to remove this bolt. And there's another bolt on the other side. Gotta remove that. Then I'll pull the bumper off. Also, I wanted to show you guys my shirt. I got this for Father's Day from my girlfriend. This because I own a painting company with my brother and my dad. This, well, obviously because I'm uploading videos to YouTube. And this because of the car, the Fiesta. I think it's pretty cool. And it says dad all together. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. You guys are not gonna believe this. Like, bro, I took off the front bumper, and between the bumper and my stock intercooler, there was a fucking rat, bro. How long has it have to been in there that it's already like dried up and shit? I don't know how that shit got in there. I've washed my car plenty of times, and I never even noticed it. That's fucking crazy, bro. But anyway, bumper's off. I had a hard time with the bumper because the bolts that hold in the bumper were actually like scraped off from every time like I go out of a driveway. I even angled the fucking car, but they were scraped, like not even a little bit. So the one in the middle, I had to like break it off because it wasn't coming out. So I'm gonna have to buy another one and replace it. But stock bumper is off. I mean, the bumper is off. I'm gonna start taking off the intercooler. I did not order the piping for the intercooler, so I'm gonna just install it like this for now, and then I'll order it from Whoosh. I know that Whoosh has a different colors, so I'll check what they have and order some new ones. Okay guys, stock intercooler is out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the brand new MISHIMOTO intercooler. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I actually just realized that either I left the bolts for these things in my house over in San Diego. I'm in Baja right now, so either I left the bolts over there or the bolts didn't come with the intercooler. I have to check that when I get back, but for now I'm just gonna run it like that, man. I tighten up the hoses, the cold and the hot. I put these back, so I don't think it'll fall off, but if not, I'm just gonna fucking send it. I'm just gonna run it like that for now, and when I get to my house over in San Diego, I'm gonna check if the bolts are there. If not, I'm gonna have to order them. I think it should be good. But now, time to put the things back together, the bumper, the headlights, everything, and we'll start her up. Okay guys, Mishimoto intercooler is in, and now everything's back together. I'm just gonna give it the first. Doesn't that look fucking badass? I'm gonna give her the first startup, see what it sounds like, or if it sounds any different or something. I doubt it, but we'll see. ¿Se pudo? ¿Ya aprendió? Bueno, ahí va a salir todo. Doesn't sound much different, but I do notice that when I go on the throttle, you can hear like the air a little bit earlier than it used to with just the intake. I guess I'll take it out for a drive and see what it sounds like.